Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Panjekaars poll for 4 candidates. Heavy voting in morning session. 71.20% voting recorded by the end of day. BJP may get around 10,000 votes according to exclusive exit poll conducted by Prudent. Congress trails behind with 4,000 votes. Animal lovers attacked at Solaghat for crusading against cow killing. Amrut Singh admitted in hospital. Police arrest one Imran Habib Khan from Sakli. And ICC Cricket World Cup set for opening showdown between host New Zealand and Sri Lanka. Co-host Australia clash with traditional rivals England. And now the news in detail. Panjekaars came out in large numbers to seal the fate of 4 candidates as overall 71% voting was registered by the end of day. But it is short by 7% as compared to 2012 assembly elections. Earlier in the day, BJP and Congress camps were under stress following the trends of voting. But by evening, booth-wise voting trend eased the BJP camp. Defence Minister Parrikar was seen monitoring the trends. Apart from minor verbal duels, polling was peaceful.
पणजेच्या बायपोलाक 71.20% वोटिंग जाल्लें आसा. पणजेंतले टोटल वोटर्स आशिल्ले आमी 22,057 आनी तातले 15,704 मतदारांनी आज मतदान केलां. तातले 7,668 दादले आनी 8,036 बायलां आनी मतदान केलें. ह्या मतदानाच्या वेळार सगळे मतदान यंत्रा खंयचे फॉल्ट तांकां जालो ना. सगळें मतदान व्यवस्थीतपणान जालें, शांततेन पार पडलां. 16 तारखेक तांचें कावंटींग जातलें.
Polling for Panji bypoll began at 8 in the morning across 30 polling stations. Panjekaars queued up at the polling booths since early morning. Apart from minor verbal duel between candidate and Karyakartas, voting was peaceful across. Voting rate dropped post-afternoon. Siddharth Kukalkar says BJP's traditional voters is intact with the party.
पणजेकाराचो आशिर्वाद आसा. डेफिनेटली मार्जिनी बरी आसतली. वोटिंग सायलंट जायना. आमचे वोटर म्हणटा ते सदांच वोकल. Definitely they are supporting us full-heartedly. There is no presence of the opposition.
Surendra Furtado had a verbal duel with BJP Karyakartas and candidate. He says election rules are being banned by the party in power to suit them.
Any person who was sitting in the booth had to be a voter of Panjim. All of a sudden, 8 days back, the election commission removed a circular saying that person should be only from that booth. You see how dirty tricks are being played by this ruling group. I have nothing to say. On 16, they will get the reply. They are all panicky.
Samir Kedekar said Panjekaars have voted against BJP and Congress.
There is a lot of silent voting in our favor, and all over Panjim there is a wave against BJP and Congress, and this is advantageous to me.
Sadanan Vaingmankar feels Panji poll results will be a replica of Delhi result.
दिसता अशें की यंग वोटर्स चड प्रमाणात भायर सरल्यात आनी सकाळच्या टायमार मातशें कमी आसलेलें वोटिंग आतां फास्ट जालां आनी दिसता दिल्लीचे ट्रेंड्स गोंयानूय दाखयतले म्हणून.
Former Panji MLA Manor Parrikar was monitoring the developments at every booth since morning. He is confident of BJP's victory.
It will be same duplication of 2012. The voting percentage will be more or less same, plus or minus 2%.
Earlier in the morning, Bogdiwak witnessed war of words between Surendra Furtado and BJP candidate and Karyakartas.
He is not from Panjim. He is from other party. There is a rule there. What rule? Only when you come to all this rule is for you all.
Rule is rule.
Rule when it comes to you all. Fight properly, man.
We are fighting properly.
Please fight properly. I am the candidate. I am talking to the candidate. Please. Understand, no?
BJP's Siddharth Kukalkar or Congress's Surendra Furtado or anyone else who will be the next MLA for capital city. Only Monday will reveal the result. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Prudent for the first time in Goa exclusively conducted exit poll on the bypoll held in Panjim Altogether, 15,700 votes are polled. Exit poll by Prudent shows BJP winning comfortably with 72%, gaining around 10,000 votes. Congress may get 25% votes, which come around 4,000 votes. Exit poll shows independents have garnered hardly 3%, which is around 500 votes. Looks like BJP will succeed in retaining their citadel.
Prudent exclusively conducted an exit poll. A man collected samples across 30 polling booths and did sampling at different times and with different income group people and of different age and categories. 71.20% of voting was recorded at the end of the day and 15,700 votes were polled. The final tally shows 72% says BJP, 25% says Congress, 3% says Independent. 72% says BJP out of 15,700 votes means BJP may garner around 10,000 votes. 25% says Congress means Congress may garner around 4,000 votes. 3% says Independent means less than 500 votes are polled by them. Now have a look at the category-wise response of the voters. Survey was done after considering the views of the people who had already voted. Around 200 samplings were done and only 8 to 10% were reluctant in revealing their candidate. Now all eyes set on Monday with fingers crossed till results are out. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.